Here we have a 2004-2008 F-150. This is the passenger side. We're just changing out some trim, so some aged silver to some nice black. And basically just got to pull these tabs out. So there's 5 tabs. And one benefit here is you just put a couple fingers into this hole. And just like that, one by one, all the tabs start coming out. One at the bottom, and you just go a little bit on the side. Don't want to ruin the weather stripping. So there's the old one. And the black one here, same thing, everything's all intact. So you just reverse it. Start with the weather stripping, line up with that all the way around, move in there, and then you just go one on each of the tabs. That's for 2004-2008 F-150.